In this video, I will show you how to make a scatter plot diagram like a pro. A scatter diagram is the most commonly used graph to show the relationship between two variables. Don't forget to stick around to the end for a bonus tip on how to make your scatter plot look really professional.
Hi, I'm Luca. Welcome to this channel where I share weekly videos about Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve both your professional and personal life. If you're new here and want to keep learning more about Lean Six Sigma, please click the red subscribe button and little bell below so you get notified as soon as new content is uploaded.
So here I've preloaded some data, and this is the monthly advertising costs versus items sold. So here we want to create a scatter plot diagram to see if there is some type of relationship between advertising costs and items sold. So by doing that, we'll simply select and highlight our data set, go up to the Insert tab, go on over to the Charts area here, select this Insert Scatter or Bubble Chart, left click that, click on Scatter Plot, and there you have it, guys. It's simple like that. If you want to make the graph look a little bit more professional, here's your bonus tip. Here we can go to Quick Layout and add some titles and some axis titles. And there's lots of different layouts that you can choose from. So you can select which one best suits your needs. I usually go with the first one. And you can label your axis titles very easily. And there you go. Here we can see that there is a relationship between how much money we spend per month and items sold on the left side.
And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more of my videos about Lean Six Sigma here.